The Advanced Item Module is meant to maintain stock item analysis code for the purpose of report filtering. There are three types of maintenance that could be done in the Advanced Item. First is brand maintenance, category maintenance, and class maintenance. To do the Advanced Item maintenance, first click Stock, then go to More Stock Maintenance. Here you will be able to do three types of maintenance, which is item brand maintenance, item category maintenance, and item class maintenance. Item class maintenance. The way to save all three types, which is item brand, item category, and item class maintenance, is the same. First, click New, key in the item class, key in the shortcode, then key in the description. Once done, click OK. To key in the advanced item maintenance into the stock, go to Stock, go to Item Maintenance. Here, you will be able to see the item class, item category, and item brand. If you are unable to see, right click and go to Column Chooser. Here you will be able to see, and you can just drag and drop here. To set item, brand, category, or class for an existing item, select the item, then click Edit. You can categorize the item code under the analysis code. So, select a brand, select the item category, and then select the class. Once you're done, click OK. Here you will be able to see the class, category, and brands selected. To filter report based on these categories, an example report would be Stock Card Report. Here, make sure the date range is correct. Click Inquiry. Here you will be able to see that the items are displayed based on item code. To filter based on item brand, category, or item class, click More option and click Filter To. Here you will be able to filter by brand, category, and class. For example, by brand B and category A. Then we can click Inquiry. So, item which has brand B and category A will only be displayed.